Now, let's talk about Engagement Center. Engagement Center is an automated feature by which you can create a trigger campaign. Under this section you can create triggered campaigns for a particular selected audience. It will trigger your campaign on the basis of events selected in pipeline stage. In order to create new trigger campaign, please click on plus icon at the top right. Mention your campaign name here so that you can recognize your campaign by its name. From Trigger drop-down, just select the condition on which your trigger will work. Let's suppose we want to create a trigger that will works when an appointment is completed. And then select the group of audiences whom you want to send a trigger. You can send triggered campaign to all leads and inquiries, or any segmented data that you have created. Let's suppose we want to send trigger to visited pipeline, so select this one and press Tab key. Now, we want to send to another group of audience as well. So, let's search and select one more here, then press Tab key and click on Save button to save your campaign. You can select multiple audiences this way. Once your campaign is created with the trigger condition and the audiences you want to send campaign to. Now, you need to create the mode of trigger. Currently we have 5 modes available that are SMS, mail, voice broadcast, WhatsApp and marketing sequence. So, you can create triggers with these 5 modes available. Let's discuss these modes one by one. The first option is SMS. We will see how to set up SMS trigger here. Please click on SMS icon, a setting form will appear. Please select Sender ID from drop-down, which you want to send message from, and then select the message template from next drop-down. Please note that the template you have to create in DLT template section, and then you can use here. And then choose placeholder, if you have created any placeholder earlier for the selected template. You can check is Unicode box, if you are sending message other than the English language. Check the track box if you want to track any URL, and then choose the time duration, when you want to start the trigger once the trigger condition occurs. And finally click on Save button. Now, coming to the email mode. Just click on email icon, then select the sender's email ID from drop-down and then reply to email ID. After that you have 2 options, either you can compose email or else you can use created templates. Then select the duration, when do you want to initiate the trigger, and click on the Save button. So, this is how you can set an email on triggered campaign. Now, go to the voice broadcast mode. Just click to open voice broadcast settings. Here choose whether it be a transactional or promotional broadcast, then choose calling number. The number you select here will be used for voice broadcast. After that mention the duration in seconds for voice play. Then, mention the time when do you want to send broadcast and click on Save button. Now, go to the WhatsApp mode, just click on the WhatsApp icon to open WhatsApp settings. Here, choose your contact first, then select template. Let me inform you that you need to first create WhatsApp template in sales section under WhatsApp integration. Once your template is created and approved, then only you will be able to use template here. Once template is selected, then set the time when do you want to send WhatsApp message. Now let's talk about the last one, that is sequence mode. The sequence mode works in such a way that, if you have created any sequence of activities in marketing sequence section, which you will learn later, then only you can select sequence name here and click update. You can activate or deactivate campaign under Status menu. That's all about the Engagement Center.